Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have something different. I mean I feel it's different. I really hope it's different. But today I am going to get ready and I have a new way of the way I do my eyes. So that is exactly what I want to show you guys. So firstly, if you guys are new, please to subscribe. It really helps me to keep this channel going, honestly. Also, I'm using this Fit Me foundation, and yeah, so as I was saying, just keep please to subscribe, please to comment. It really gives me motivation to keep going, and also like a reason, honestly. But yeah, anyways, so I don't really want to put on too much foundation because my skin is skinning. It's doing fine. I'm not going to say I am doing very good when it comes to my skin, but theek hai, we're doing fine. Okay. um so yeah, that is the first step. You're just going to apply some foundation, and I have not done a very good job at applying the foundation, but that's fine. Then we have this broken color bar blush palette, which my dear beautiful help has done, and she has broken, guys, she has single-handedly broken so much of my makeup, and I have no idea how to tell her, but anyways, so I'm just gonna apply some blush now, guys. This is the basic, like this is what you can go and see in any of my other video. I do this all the time, just just keeping it light, although I have been told I am not so light when it comes to the amount of blush I apply, and I see it too, but I just like my blush to be a little like in your face. Okay, that's just how I am. And then you can set your face with some setting powder or whatever. Setting spray I have stopped using because I just don't like setting spray anymore. I don't know, it's just so I'll tell you what, setting spray is basically alcohol, and that alcohol is melting all your makeup and making it stick to your skin. So yes, setting spray is good when you have functions, events, you're going for marriages, you have some event to attend, it's okay. But if you're doing your everyday makeup look, don't, just trust me and skip out on the alcohol. It is not doing anything to your skin, and if your product is not doing anything for your skin, why are you even applying the product? That is a question you should be asking yourself. If it's not doing anything, it does not need to be on your face, which is why a lot of people also don't like fragrances. Why do they not like fragrances? Because the fragrances don't cause, like, I mean, yes, they do dry your skin out a little bit. Whoops, yeah, they do dry your skin out a little bit, but other than that, they are not really doing anything. And if a product is not really doing anything, why is it on your skin? Please tell me, please. Also, I have my coffee here. My battery is low, so I am gonna have to just be right back. Okay, I am back. So my battery almost died. So yeah, which is why I went and I came back. Okay. So yeah, as I showed you, we have just applied some foundation, blush, and curl the lashes. And now we are gonna go on to the main step, which I don't know if it's new or for me it's new, whatever. But yeah, it's a thing, and I'm gonna show you how I do my eyes. Um, and I have been personally like lately obsessed with this kind of look. So take any eyeshadow palette. This one is like, the beauty glaze is like a very cheap out version of a lot of other makeup palettes. And you know what, for me it's fine because I do not feel like investing too much in makeup, because I feel like I keep wanting to buy new eyeshadow palettes all the time. So you know what, whatever, fine. If someone has something to tell me about this, you can, because I know this is not the right thing to do. But oh well, like I can't do anything. It's fine. So I'm just gonna take a dark. So I have one dark brown eyeshadow. So what I'm gonna first do is I'm gonna take a lighter eyeshadow, like maybe this brown. Okay. And I'm just going to apply that first. And guys, this is a look which I try and keep for like every day. So this is the look I kind of like to go for. I have been liking to go for lately because uh I don't know, I just feel like I need my eyes to look more brighter. So this is what I want them to look, brighter and sort of smoky, mysterious at the same time. which is why I have been sort of loving this look. And I'm just using one fluffy brush, okay? I don't know how I'm working with just one brush for so many things, but it's happening. So yeah. And then I'm gonna take some of this dark brown color, and I'm just taking some on the tip, okay? So I have just taken, like, see how I'm taking. Can you see? Yeah. I've just taken like that. And I am not going on the edges only, I'm just going on the lower part actually. Okay, if you want, you can also actually just take your finger, take some on your finger and apply that like that. Because I only want this part of my eye to sort of look a bit darker brown. And yeah. Also, guys, if you don't know, I have another YouTube channel which, if you are a woman, you have to follow that. It's basically for all all kinds of topics, women. So if you are a lady, single or dating, happy or sad, please go follow that YouTube channel. And lastly, guys, I'm taking some of this color to sort of just make sure it's looking very seamlessly blended in. Now, ideally, guys, you need to have different brushes, but yeah, I think I have learned makeup from makeup school, right? So I have had a lot of practice there. So some blush. So I have had lot of practice there, and I think which is why I'm able to maneuver my brush in a very, like, manner where I'm able to just use one single brush and do a look. If you are not able to, it's fine. Just have like one brush for every color. So for the one color which you have to apply on a bigger part of your eye, use a bigger brush. If if you want a different color to go on a smaller part of your eye, use a different color. Okay. So ideally for the dark brown, you should have used a smaller brush, and for the light brown, a bigger brush, just in case you want to use. And I was so I'll tell you the story behind this palette. I was ordering stuff on Swiggy and my minimum balance was not met, which is why I ordered this. And lately, I don't know, something has happened and I have really gotten into shimmers. Okay. So I got this Glowzilla palette face kit from Mars. And this is in the shade or whatever, number three. So they have one, two, three. Three being the darker colors, and one being like really light silver, light pink, all those colors. Okay, just so beautiful, isn't it? So now what I have been doing, and this is like amazing. Like I'm only so happy with this thing that I do, and I don't think it's not something great, but I think the way I use the brown color is something that's really cool. And then I go in with any one color of choice. I also have gone with pink, and that looks really good too. Today, let's go in with this color. So I'll tell you the reason I always, whenever I'm dipping any, like, my finger in any of these colors, I always use my ring finger. Because if you try to press with any other finger, you will know you can put pressure. But with your ring finger, you cannot put like a lot of pressure by accident also. So this is something they taught us in our makeup school. Okay. So I'm just taking this highlighter color, and it is gonna go on top of my eyelid. Okay, just like that. Here also. And if you guys don't know, I really like sparkle. Sparkle is my thing, and I think in 2025 I'm gonna carry this vibe. Also, guys, I'm looking here because my mirror, sort of my camera, whatever, that's over here. So I'm just using it to maneuver my stuff. But yeah, so 2025, I'm really going, like, I've really planned to sort of embrace what I like, and I like glitter. So, people are telling you that, you should try and keep it minimalistic. And you know what? If that is what you want, that is what you want. But if you want this, you want this. Okay, let's take this. Oops. Let's take this color for the highlighting the cheeks. And things, I don't know, but this palette is so beautiful and it is so subtle. So I though have been loving it a lot. And I honestly just got it as an accident, which is so funny to think about. But yeah, I've been loving it. I also have actually another video which I'm gonna film right after this one. So yeah, um, you're gonna see this makeup look completely finished. Like you will see it now only, but still, then you can actually see me wearing this look because I'm gonna be wearing it the whole day. There was also this cheeky shine which I had got from Zudio. I know, guys, it's cheap makeup, but honestly, that's what happens when you start making money in the beginning, at least. Okay, you don't want to spend the money on random shit. At least that's me. I don't like, yes, can I buy more expensive makeup? So technically, yeah, but am I going to? No, for like at least some time I'm not going to, because I really want to save money, invest in my other business and stuff. So yeah, guys, just let's roll with whatever we have. So I got this makeup thing, and even this is a really pretty highlighter shade. So I will make some thing, like some kind of content, some kind of look with this one. And this is the rose gold. I was dying. I had messaged my family, my friends, everybody, can you find this? And nobody did. I was able to find this on my own. And lastly, I'm gonna use some mascara to sort of finish the look, finish my eyes. And honestly, guys, if there's just one part of your face that you should do, is your eyes. After eyes, it's your lips, and after lips, it's your cheeks. If you have, I mean, I know I just basically covered the full face, but I'm just telling you in order. Like foundation, see, guys, here's the thing. If you take time out and take care of your skin, your life is going to get so much easier. So I'm going to tell you the harsh truth. Take extra effort to take care of your skin. You know, just take extra effort. In the beginning, if you have like really bad skin currently, you're going through some situation with your skin, I completely understand, because that was me too. A couple of years ago, I had extremely bad skin as well, and you guys do not know. Over there, I have spent money. I have gone to a dermat, got the medicines, creams, face washes, everything what the dermat had told me, and I have spent 7,000 doing that. And would I do it over again? Yes, I would. Because if your skin needs help, your skin needs help. There's like you if like if you're not well, if you are having fever and your skin needs help, your skin needs help. Not your skin, your body. Your body needs help. Your body needs help. So I think it's high time that we sort of normalize taking care of our skin. Here's the thing: we have the resources, so then why not? I'm gonna wear these earrings. These are, I think my mom has, gotten these for me because she really, like, I don't know, she loved these for me, and they have grown on me. So yeah, so I'm just gonna wear these, and so yeah, as I was saying, if you have the resources, and currently we do, so you should go to a dermat. And guys, see, I'm not saying everybody can sort of, spend 7,000. I had to spend because I had done so many things and things had not worked out. So this was almost like my last resort to sort of, go to this doctor. And she's a good one. She really sorted all my issues out. Yeah. But whatever, with whatever amount you are able to spare for your doormat, even if it means, not being able to go out with your friends that month, or not being able to, buy some clothes or buy some makeup or something like that, it's fine. Maybe, another thing that you can do is probably save up for a month and then the next month go to the dermat. But make sure that you are making this a priority and you do go to a dermat, because it's going to change your life, guys. So, yeah. Okay, and I'm just applying this Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick, which is in the shade Blush Velvet. Okay, another, like, there are so many things I can tell you where I have not spent money on random things, but the camera I'm filming on, I have spent a lot. I think it was almost 70, 80,000 camera, but I took the plunge and I took the camera. So I think it's really important to understand where your life is heading, what needs to be done right now, instead of wasting money on like makeup and clothes and this and that, because they are going to come. The clothes and the makeup, they are going to come. Uh, but your 20s, your 30s, your 40s, they are not going to come back. Yeah. And if you are younger than 20s and you're watching me, you are in the best time of your life age wise. So make the most out of it. And it's easier said than done because I have completely wasted a lot. Till I think 25, I think I've just very nicely wasted my time. Career wise, I mean, that was the time I did fall in love and all of that. So, not like complete waste, but career wise, I have completely and absolutely wasted that time, which was just fine. Now I have the maturity. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is how my makeup is looking, and let me know what you guys think. This is my everyday makeup. Oh, one thing we forgot: the powder. You need to apply at least some powder so that when you take calls or whatever, your foundation is not going to transfer on to your phone or whatever. So just for that, I do apply some powder. But like I said, don't use rubbing alcohol. It is not the right thing to do. And yeah, that is my final look. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. I do have some plans for the next video, so I am gonna film the next video right now as well. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye.